Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI news channel in 2026. But before we start, it's important to know that YouTube allows AI assistance content, but it must follow their reused content and spam policies. Simply copying new articles and turning them into some AI voice videos can get your channel demonetized. So to stay safe, you should rewrite scripts, add commentary, and maybe basically provide value, not just repost news. So let's get started. So first of all, how to start or how to make an AI news channel on, as example, YouTube, let's say as example. Of course, this video will include how to choose a niche, how to generate maybe scripts, how to create AI voiceover, and then publishing, of course, the videos. So first of all, you would like to pick a specific topic. You can do that, as example, in Google News or something like that. So instead of basically covering all the news, choose just a specific niche, such as tech news, AI updates, gaming news, finance news, crypto news, maybe war news as it's happening right now. And the focus niche helps basically your channel grow faster. So make sure to focus on just a specific niche. So using as example this news.google.com, you can research or find daily news sources. You can use, of course, as I said, news.google. You can use industry blogs. You can use official announcements. Look for stories that are trending or newly released. Don't look for something old because people will already cover it before you. And then, of course, you will have to start turning the news into a script. Because as I said, you can just go to this new basically and copy it as it is, make a voiceover, add the pictures or whatever, and make a video. That's not how it is. So you can use AI tools like ChatGPT as an example to rewrite the news into short scripts. Important, you will have to note that do not copy. Do not copy the article directly. Instead, summarize the information in your own format. So do not go here, click on this example, oh, copy, go to ChatGPT, type, oh, give me a script to write an example, a video about this. So this is bad because it will lack your touch. And your touch is very important, specifically if it's your channel. It's not like channel that's been run by a lot of people or by multiple people. If it's your channel only, make sure to this specific like small story or small news that you read from here, just rewrite it on your own way before typing it to ChatGPT. As an example, they're talking about something, so someone here's example is aimed at, so you can type it on your own words. Once you do so, add this example. So give me a script to write a video about this, and it will give you the full scripts. They will give you the voiceover that should be done. As example, even the graphic that should be shown at the video. So then you'll have to create the AI voiceover. AI voice generator website interface will be needed for that. There are a lot of AI voiceover tools. Most known one is 11 Labs, and it's the most professional one. If you need cool and good ones, of course, there are free tools that you can check, but mostly are bad. There are not many good tools for AI voice generation right now, like free. Of course, 11 labs are free, but only for like 10K credits, so basically 10 minutes of voiceover each month. So if you want to use that, if your videos will not be more than 10 minutes per month, you can use that as well if you want to. As I said, you can use other tools if you want to. It's totally up to you to choose which tools you want. I'm just giving you some ideas here that you can use if you want. So then it will be time to create the video. You can use an example CapCut if you want to. You can use Clipchamp or whatever you want, whatever editing tool that you or editing software that you have available. If you want to go with free, there are even some online tools. There are AI tools that you can use for editing as well. So in the editing, you'll basically have to add the voiceover and combine it with the visuals that you're going to add. Because as we said here in the scripts, ChatGPT is very good right now. It's helping you, it's giving you examples of cuts. It's giving you or it's showing you what to do. So basically, you'll need to add with the voiceover some relevant visuals, some screenshots of a new topic, and the titles or captions. Captions are very needed because a lot of people don't see, like, play the voice. They're just seeing the news, example, at night, they can't turn the volume up or something like that. So make sure to add the subtitles or the captions. They are very, very useful. Other than that, you would like to create a thumbnail, a title. You can use that as example, or you can do that at Canva. You can do that at many other places. And basically, just design a clear thumbnail that shows the main story. Use a large text and a simple visual related to the news, as you can see here. So each of these news, as example, has a thumbnail. Like this one, this is the thumbnail of it, and etc. So just use a thumbnail, and as I said, do not copy paste. So do not copy paste this thumbnail and put it as your video thumbnail or something like that. So also add some large text and the simple visuals related to the news so people can understand before even clicking at your video. Once you're done and you've done with your video, you export it on like CapCut and you're done with it, it's time to upload it to YouTube or to your channel basically. So you can just go to YouTube here, click on create and click on upload a video. And basically here you'll have to go here and upload your video, upload your thumbnail, add your description, everything about it, and you should be good to go. That's basically how you run a news channel in 20, or how to make an AI news channel in 2026. Of course, one last tip before we finish this video is basically consistency. Consistency is basically the key to grow your channel. News channel grow faster when people post consistency or constantly, often daily or several times per week. It is very good. But if you're going to post once a year, once or 2 months, 3 months, that's not going to be good for your channel and it's not going to go grow fast. So yeah, that should be it for me about this video. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you again in the next video.